Boys, we were doing numerical problems. We'll do one more time numerical problems based on the change of state. Okay. Like for example, ice, we are adding with water. Some piece of ice we are putting into water. What will happen? Which
Temperature
will
will
gain
decrease.
heat, which will lose,
Ice
which
will
will
gain
gain
heat.
heat,
Ice
which will
will
lose.
ice will gain heat.
Ice will
Ice
gain
will
heat.
lose,
Yes,
water will gain.
ice will, very good. Ice will gain heat and the water will
Water will lose.
lose heat.
Lose it.
Water will become colder, then water will lose heat. Till both water and ice come to a common temperature. Okay. Transfer of heat takes place till both the body attain a common temperature, same temperature. Okay, we'll be doing that kind of question. Okay. Okay. Now I have a question here. Question number from page number 277. Page number 277. Example 5. Example 5. Question says the temperature of 300 gram of water at 40 degrees Celsius is lowered to 0 degree Celsius by adding ice to it. Find the mass of ice added if SHC of water is 4.2 and SLH of ice is 336 joule per gram. Unit I did not read. They are saying there is a water. You can do like water. This side is ice. Water initial temperature of water given is
10.
40 degrees Celsius.
40 degrees Celsius.
300 gram water at 40 degrees Celsius is lower to 0 degree. Water temperature is lowering to 0. Now, this is water, you can say mixture means after ice added to it, the temperature of water becomes 0 degrees. Temperature is lowering to 0 by putting ice into it. The initial temperature of ice not given, when the initial temperature of ice not given, we will take it 0 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, they would mention in the question the initial temperature of ice at minus something, minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 10, that will be mentioned. If not mentioned, we'll take it 0. Let us make equation. How do we make equation? Tell me heat loss. Which one loses heat?
It gained by
Heat loss by water. We can write in what?
Heat lost by water
Is equal
equals
to-
heat gained by ice.
Yes, yeah. Please share like this. Is good only. Heat gained by ice. Very good. So we'll see. We'll come to the mixture of from this side we'll come to this, and from this side also we'll come to this. Heat loss by water will be what? What formula you use? MC theta or ML? Tell me.
C theta.
MC theta because temperature is changing. Very good. That is M1 C1 theta 1. And ice side, which formula you will apply? See, ice was 0 and it's forming water of 0. That means ice is changing the state only, isn't it?
ml.
Yes, sir.
ML, yes. This side you can add ML. One thing is unknown here and we are calculating that. That is the only idea. Make equation and you will find one thing unknown and you are finding it. What is the mass of the water given in the question? Mass of water is given 300 gram. C1 is SHC of water. This is water, no? SHC of water is given in the question 4.2 joule per gram per degree Celsius. Temperature difference is 40 minus 0 is 40. Mass of ice, we have to find the mass of ice is not given. Latent heat of ice is given 336. And now cancel and all, find the value of air. The value of air comes 150 gram. After calculation, your answer will come 150 gram. Done. Okay? Now I'll do the next question. Example 6. I'm doing example 6. You got the idea? No, I'll do example 6 now. Example 6. How much boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius is needed to melt 2 kg of ice so that the mixture, which is all water at 0 degrees Celsius, okay, SHC of water given, SLS of ice given. Okay. They're saying one side we got boiling water. Boiling water. One side we have ice. Temperature of boiling water given is 100 degrees Celsius. Remember, it is still water, not steam. If it is steam, then it will contain latent heat also. Ice mentioned here, but temperature of ice not given at 0. Here is mixture, no. Like when I say mixture, after mixing, the result is ice is melting and the entire thing is all water of 0 degrees Celsius, the question says. What should be I writing here now? Heat lost by, what should I write? Heat lost by
Lost by
boiling water.
Boiling water.
Okay, by boiling water you can write here, by boiling water equal to heat gained by ice.
Ice.
Formula is same, only values will be different. They're saying how much boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius is needed. How much boiling water? That's M1 you have to find. This is water, so 4.3. Theta 1 is temperature difference. 100 minus 0 is coming 100. Mass of the ice given in the question 2 kg. But here, whereas the values given are in gram, will change. Mass is equal to 2 kg means write 2000. Into latent heat values given 336. And I will calculate the value of M1. Calculate. The value of M1 will come, 1600 will come here, 1600 gram. This is gram, this is also coming in gram only. This is same as 1.6 kg. Okay. This is answer. Okay?
Yes, sir. Achha. So first, so why did we convert this 2 kg into 2 grams, 2000 grams?
Because latent heat value is given what? 336 joules per gram. Gram wise it is given.
So we can change it now, 336.
336, if you change, you have to multiply this by 1000. It is coming to the same thing now. Why to change 336? It comes to the same. Now we are doing question number 11, example 11. Example 11 now, on page number 278. Example 11. Page number 278. Example 11. Okay, let us do first example 10, then I'll do 11. First we'll do number 10, okay. Question says a cube of ice of mass 30 gram at 0 degrees Celsius is added into 200 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the final temperature of water when whole of the ice cube has melted. They have given the value SLS of ice 80 calories, SHC of water is given 1 calorie per gram. Calorie wise it is given. We will use that value, whatever is given. Let us write information. One side we got water at 30 degrees Celsius. And this side we have ice. Ice temperature is already mentioned. In water, here is the mixture. Temperature of the mixture. Find the temperature of the mixture. Temperature of the mixture we have to find.
So you're lagging.
Question doesn't say that.
Hello.
Hello.
So you're lagging.
Yeah. Now.
So we can't hear.
Hello. Am I all right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe network issue. Question is asking you find the temperature of this mixture after adding.
X degree.
Question doesn't say that the mixture is 0 degrees Celsius. Question is not saying that.
X degree Celsius.
We have to calculate. So I like here 8 Celsius, yes. What should I be writing here? Heat lost by water is equal to heat gained by ice. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Equation is this only. Now look at this now. Which formula to use from water to this mixture? What formula to use?
No. M.
MC
MC
theta.
theta, no? Okay, I write M1 C1 theta 1 for this side. Other side, what is happening to this one? Ice to
Ice
this,
is
which formula to use?
turned water. ML.
Not only ml, but ml plus MC theta.
So why?
Because ml will give you water of how much degree Celsius? This
Zero.
ml will give you water of how much? Zero, no. But here water temperature is not zero, it is something else. That means that water temperature again is increasing from 0 to some degree Celsius. MC theta.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So,
Maybe
can you
the temperature is
repeat again?
10 degrees. Yeah, I repeat. I'm saying ice is changing into water of some degree Celsius, not water of 0 degree. Okay. That means ice is just not only melting, but its temperature is also rising. Just to melt the ice, we have got ml. This will give water of 0 degree Celsius. But we want water of X degree or water of maybe 10 degree, 12 degree, any degree. So the temperature of that water, which is formed by melting of ice, is also increasing. Therefore, that also I like MC theta. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
In this situation case, what is happening? Ice is only not melting, but after melting, whatever water is formed, the temperature of that water is also increasing from 0 to some degree Celsius. It's increasing. So for that increase of temperature, MC theta is also there. Now I put the value on final answer. Mass of water given is 200 grams. This is given, C1 value is given in 1 calorie, water, 1. Theta, what is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference of this water? Tell me, what is the temperature difference? You do
30
this
minus
minus this. 30 minus
30
X.
minus X.
Yes. Mass of the ice. What is the mass of the ice given? 30
So what
grams.
Mass
is that? One.
30 gram.
Especially with capacity of water given 1 calorie. That one only, calorie wise. In the question, the value is given of 1.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Latent heat of ice is given 80, calorie wise. Right here, 80.
80 calories.
The mass is again same, 30, no? Because this is ice only, no? This ice only,
Yes, sir.
30. Ice changes into what? Water. What is the specific capacity in water? 1. What is the temperature difference for this ice? What is the temperature difference for this ice?
0 minus X.
Zero.
X minus 0.
Zero.
X minus
X
0.
X minus 0, yes. X minus 0.
Sir,
That means
how did
only
30
X.
come?
Which 30? This one.
Sir, the last
Which
one.
30 you're talking
The
about?
last. The last.
This ice is only melting into water, no? Which ice is melting? 30 gram of ice will melt into water. How much water it will make? Same ice is changing into
30.
water, no? 30 gram only.
30 into 80.
Okay. Now, using this equation, calculate the value of X. The value of X will come 15.8 shown in calculation in the book. You can also try it. 15.65 degrees Celsius will come. Answer. Your temperature value will come anything between 30 and 0. That means your water is cooling from 30 degrees Celsius to this degree Celsius, not 0.
Sir, that means calorie. If the calorie is given, then we have to use calorie only.
There is no need to change. No need to change. Use calorie only here. That doesn't make, because this are also calorie, this are also calorie, this are also calories. It doesn't make a difference. You can use the same value. No need to change. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Stay fast. Okay or not
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Tell me.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Heavy, okay.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Next question now. Question number 11. Example 11 now. Example 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example 11 says a vessel of mass 100 gram contains 150 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius. There is a vessel. So I'll just keep the water in vessel here. Water temperature of this is 30 degrees Celsius. Vessel is also there. And mass of the vessel is given mass of the vessel is given 100 gram. This time vessel will also play a role. Okay, vessel mass is also given. If question says neglect the heat absorbed by bucket or neglect the heat lost by bucket or the vessel, then we will not consider. But where this bucket and all are mentioned, we will consider that also. Okay. Question says how much ice is needed to cool it to 5 degrees Celsius. Other side we got ice, temperature of ice not mentioned, but after putting the ice into this, the water mixture is becoming 5 degrees Celsius along with the bucket like this. This water temperature is becoming 5. Water is cooling to 5 degrees Celsius. Question says that only. How much ice is needed to cool it to 5 degrees Celsius? And the values are given. SHC of material of vessel given. SLH of ice given. SHC given. What equation will you write now? Tell me.
So
Can you
same
tell me
way,
what equation you are going to write?
heat lost by
So
water
the
is equal to
vessel-
heat by ice.
Heat
M1
lost by
C1
Not water plus vessel. We said water and vessel are together.
Heat
No.
loss
Both of them will lose.
lost by
Because
water
your-
and vessel.
and vessel plus vessel. Heat lost by water plus vessel.
Yes, sir.
Plus vessel, because vessel also will become cold. Vessel will also lose heat. Same thing will happen. Whatever happens with the water, same thing happens with the vessel.
That means so it will be
So what
something
is the
like this.
formula?
M1 C1
Yes.
theta 1 M1 C1 theta
Yes,
1
very good, very good. Plus
M1 C1
for vessel also
C1,
M2 C2 theta 2.
M2C2
is
theta
equal
2.
to plus M
For
sorry,
vessel also I did.
ML
Now think
plus
from
ML.
yes, think about ice. What formula like ice side? What right?
L plus MC theta.
ML plus very good plus MC theta. Yes, very good observation. First ice will melt ml, and this ice will give water of 0. But here we see water is of 5 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature of that water is also increasing from 0 to 5. So for that change of temperature or increase of temperature, MC theta is also there.
So if it was 0,
No.
so if it was 0, then this plus M.
If it is 0, so only ML.
Yes.
If it is 0, then MC theta will not come. Only you are just melting, no?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us put the values, and one thing is unknown here on the way, and we are calculating it. So, vessel mass, water, first this is for water, 150 gram water, right? 150. SHC of water is 4.2. Theta 1, what is the theta 1 for this water? 30 minus 5, 25. Plus M2, mass of the vessel is 100 into C2 means SHC of vessel. What is SHC of vessel given?
0.4.
30 minus 5.
0.4. Yes, very good. Yes, for vessel also same thing, 30 minus 5 only, 25. Go to the other side now. Mass of the ice.
X.
How much ice is
ML.
needed? This we have to find. M is as it is.
Mass of
Latent heat is given 336. 336 plus M. Ice definitely melts into water. SHC of water is 4.2. Temperature difference is 5. Between 5 and 0, the difference is how much? 5. And now I will calculate. Once you calculate, your answer will come as given in the book, 46.92 gram. 46.92 gram. Main thing is just make equations, proper equations, correct equations, and then you will be able to solve it. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you learned it. So now I just give one general idea with your help only. You will be helping me, okay? You will be responding like as you are responding today. It's very good. Suppose I am having steam at 100 degrees Celsius one side, and the other side I am having ice of minus 10 degrees Celsius. After putting ice into the steam into the ice, we are having mixture. This is water of 20 degrees Celsius. How will you make the equation? Can you tell me how will you make the equation?
Heat lost by steam
by
is equal to
steam.
heat gained by ice.
We gain by ice. Very good. Very good, very good. Heat lost by steam is equal to heat gained by ice. I write in short only. Just tell me equation making only, how to make equation. Tell me what should I write now for this side? Heat lost by steam, what should I write?
MC theta.
M1
M1 C1
First steam, listen.
C1 theta 1.
First,
A sir, theta.
first steam is given as first steam has to be changed into water, and it will give water of how much degree Celsius?
100.
When steam will be changed into the water, it will
100
change
degree.
into water of same degree, say 100 degree only.
100
Isn't
degree
it?
minus MC
Yes,
theta.
sir.
ML minus
ml you do plus MP temperature is, this is what, this is giving water of 100, but the temperature of water we want 20. We are decreasing the temperature of water from 100 to 20 plus MC theta. You understood this?
Well, it should
Yes,
be
sir.
that no ML minus MC theta because ML value is 100 degrees Celsius.
Even water is 100.
Minus we never do. Okay? This is the heat loss, no heat loss. Why to do minus?
Even water is 100.
Even water will be 100. No, latent heat water.
Which
will be
water?
100. So the steam
So the
is
steam is
steam
converted
first-
into water.
Yeah, first steam is converted into water by using ml.
100 degrees Celsius water plus if we add that MC theta of water, then the value will become something else. No, will be higher
What
than
MC theta water? This is the heat loss and say the total amount of heat loss. You're not adding water and all there. The temperature of the steam is changing from 100 to how much degree? 20, no? For that you have to do MC theta.
So your A.
Other side. Don't put a minus sign because this is the total amount of heat lost by steam to come to water of 20 degrees Celsius. Now, from this side also you have to come to this. What is the temperature of ice given? Tell me, what should I write here? This side?
ML plus MC.
Not ml. Ice temperature is minus 10 given. Will ml take place here?
M1 C1 theta 1.
First you have to change the temperature from minus 10 to 0 degrees. You have to
Zero.
bring the ice to 0 degrees so that it starts melting. First we'll do MC theta. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? From minus 10 to 0. After that, what will you do now? Tell me.
Plus ML.
ml, very good. This will give water of how much degree? 0, no?
0.
But we see water is how much degree? At 20. Water is not
Very
0.
MC theta.
Very MC theta.
Again MC theta, yes.
Again MC theta.
Yes. Now you can
Sir,
put
can
the,
you
like,
again?
we, okay. 1 second, boys.
ML.
Say,
Yes, sir.
we try.
ML.
Yes, sir. Once
M
again.
mass.
ML mass of steam.
ML
What is
mass
it?
of
I'm
steam.
coming to this side, okay? In one simple for having a steam. And your target is to change into water. Water of mixture, water of, or can you change directly?
No, sir.
Steam
No,
of
sir,
100
you
degrees
first change
Celsius,
to
you want to
100
change into
degrees
water of
Celsius
20.
We need to change.
Can you change it directly?
No, sir. First, the steam has to be 100 degrees
First,
Celsius.
yeah, first, this is a step. First, steam will 100 degrees Celsius will change into water,
100
water of 100 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of water will decrease from 100 to water of 20 degrees Celsius. This is the step we will follow. This is a step you are taking. For this part, which formula you use? ml, no, because the steam of 100, water of 100, ml. And the temperature of water is decreasing, plus 100 to 20, MC theta. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Or you can think mentally, steam of 100 degrees Celsius, first it will change into water of 0 degree, water of 100 degrees. First you will change this state. And now the temperature of water is changing to 20, the plus MC theta. Come to this side now, ice at minus 10 degree given. Do you think ice will melt at minus 10? What is the melting point of ice? 0, no?
Zero
Zero.
degree.
Bring the ice to zero. That is ice temperature from -10 to 0. You are bringing MC theta away. Now the ice will start melting. Change of state ml. It will give water of 0 degree Celsius. But we have water of 20. Then again the temperature of water has to be increased.
Added.
Again I get MC theta.
Yes, sir.
Now here we can put M1, that this kind of thing you can put M2, C2, like that you can put theta 2. Here you can write mass of, this is all ice only, no? Mass is same. This one you can write as C3, theta 3. This will be M2, like that you can change. This will be
C3.
C4, you can write theta 4. Like that you can do. And one thing unknown here, you can find out. The main thing is making of equations. Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Very nicely.
Suppose if this is ice of 0 degree Celsius, what should have happened?
ML plus MC theta.
No need of this one. No need of this.
Yes, ml plus m.
Ice will, here only the ice will start melting and changing. And it will give water of 0 degree Celsius, here only. Then I will do only ml plus MC theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the point? So with this chapter is done, over. And now we will be starting the last chapter on radioactivity. That
Break.
they are cut short levels. So on the next day, that is Friday, we will start that. Please do your friends also to attend regularly. Definitely, if there is a semester 2, but again, so teaching will not be there. So whatever is will be taught now only, so be careful. And you have the video recording. All the things are there in the YouTube. Video recorded, and the website also is there, the school's website. So you can refer it to the videos anytime for your reference.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. So this chapter
Thank
is
you so
over.
much.
Next day we'll
Bye.
start new chapter, new topic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.